Next topic, stock theorem. So actually the stock theorem is used to convert a closed line into the open surface. So here we have to just consider a closed line. So we have to convert a closed line into the open surface. We use the stock theorem. Okay, we have already discussed about the divergence theorem. So divergence theorem is used to convert a closed surface into volume. Okay, so now let us discuss about the stock theorem. So as per the definition of curl, we know that what is curl. Curl means, in a simple way, we can say that the change in direction, it is called as curl. Or if you do the cross product of any vector quantity, suppose I have to just assume it's a vector A, and I have to do a cross product of any vector quantity with del operator, so it is known as curl. So what is the definition of curl? Curl of any vector quantity is equal to the closed line integration of that vector quantity when the surface tends to 0, when delta S tends to 0. Okay, so this is the definition of curl. So you have to just remember the definition of curl. Okay, so we can say that the curl of any vector quantity is equal to the closed line integration of that vector quantity when the surface tends to 0. Okay, so based on the definition of curl, we can write here are to just replace this vector A with H. H is our magnetic field intensity. So I can write del cross H is closed line integration of vector H into dl divided by ds, or you can write delta S also. Delta S when it is limit delta S tends to 0. Okay, so I will just multiply this delta S here. So we can write it is integration H into dl is equals to del cross H into delta S. What is delta S? Delta S is a differential surface. We can say that the delta S is a differential surface. So to understand this concept, I have to consider uh, one surface here. This is a surface. Okay. What is the total area of the surface? Here we can assume S is total area of the surface. Okay. So what is the direction of the surface? The surface direction is always perpendicular to that. So I have divided the surface into a smaller and equal areas. Okay, I have to divide the surface into small and equal area. Okay, and I have to just consider a one differential surface. So here I have to divide this surface into a small and equal surface area. Okay, so here each surface has an equal amount of area, or you can write each surface as area delta S. ये जो आपको स्मॉल जो स्क्वायर दिखाई दे रहा है वो सभी का एरिया कितना होगा, डेल्टा एस. Okay, so I have to just consider one surface here. Suppose I have to consider this surface. Okay, and if you see, it's a closed line integration. Okay, it's a closed line integration. So here I will just put is a closed line. The surface is nothing but it's a closed line. Okay, it's a closed line. And what is the direction of the surface? As we know that the direction of the surface is always perpendicular to that. So this line is indicate the direction of the surface A and unit vector, where n is indicate normal. Normal means perpendicular. So this an is indicate the direction of this surface. Okay, so if I have to combine this smaller and small surface, so if I have to take, okay, so for this case, suppose I have to take the integration of delta S. Okay, or you may write integration of ds. So is indicate my total surface area, which is S. Okay, so for this reason I'll write here it is integration of del cross H into ds vector, because surface is also a vector quantity. Okay, so now you can just compare integration h into dl is equals to del cross h into ds. So I have to convert a closed line into the open surface. Okay, so finally my equation is the closed line integration is equal to open surface is equal to del cross h into ds. Okay, so this statement is known as Stock theorem. Okay, so using the Stock theorem we can convert a closed line into the open surface.